Hi guys. I just wanted to do a quick recap on what to expect for this week and sort of briefly explain what transpired last week. So if we have a look at Nasdaq futures over here, last week we had a big push above this high, which is the previous week's high. So on the daily time frame, we've broken some structure. So it's quite an important high. Okay, so something to note that we're working inside this range over here. So from this high to this low, and equilibrium being at that level there. So in essence, what that does for us is delineate where discount prices are and where premium prices reside. So if we're looking to sell, we'll obviously look to sell in this area. If we look to buy, we'll look to buy in this area, just to keep it very simple. So following on from that, some key PD arrays to watch for. Firstly, on the premium side is this daily order block. So the order block consists of these three consecutive candles. You could refine it a bit to just this one, but we're happy to see what happens in this area. Reason why I say that is because if we look at the Dow futures, it has already come into its order block. So now in this case, what we want to watch for is the 50% level. Okay, I'm going to call that CE or mean threshold, whichever you prefer. So ultimately, we should hopefully see some sensitivity here. If it breaks through this area quite convincingly on a higher time frame, then it's probably just going to reach straight for this. But what we are looking for this week, two things. One would be some sort of indication that price might go down a bit, which would be good. Would give us a decent trade because we can at least take it to the 50% level. And let's just mark this here. So this is on the premium side, and on the discount side, we have this fair value gap to watch for. So it's all the same on the three. With S&P probably being a little bit cleaner. Okay, so yeah, these are the two important PD arrays we've got on the premium side and then on the discount side. So because we've broken structure over here on the daily time frame, this is quite a nice area to watch for if we're looking to go long in the market. And if that's the case, if we do get a reaction here, let's say hopefully Wednesday, we get a reaction here, then what we want to target are these equal highs over here. So if we drop down to maybe a 4-hour, you can see type of a buy program, with this being quite an obvious draw on liquidity. This blue shaded area over here is actually a weekly fair value gap, so weekly imbalance. And if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see what's happening. Let's Just get rid of these. So on a weekly time frame, you have this order block here. So these two consecutive. I don't really count this because there's not much of a body in it. So this area, as well as this fair value gap. So that could be quite a strong area after liquidity is taken to drop back down, depending on how we trade. I don't think that this is the bottom yet. If it is, then we're moving ahead of the seasonal tendencies. So, yeah, I'd have to watch price, but I think we might at least try and attack this low one more time. So, and that'll probably be towards the end of June or mid-June. So, but for this week, those are the two very, very important areas. Over here, this order block, and then this fair value gap. So all we're doing this week, keeping it very, very simple, we're just going to wait for sort of our signature in one of these two areas. If price keeps moving up, like I said, if it goes beyond this 50% level on order blocks, then it could likely reach for that, and we could get a small trade in there, and that could change things for the rest of the week. Ultimately, if I had it my way, I'd bring the market down here on about a Wednesday, and then get a nice trade in on Wednesday for some upside. So yeah, all remains to be seen, but those are the two key areas. So you can have that marked out on your chart, and you can just watch price, and then we can see what happens throughout the week, and hopefully get some good trades.